To fix this issue, retries have been expired. Follow my steps. First, open Play Store, search Gcash and update the app. If updated, then let it be. Now search any VPN, like I'm using Turbo VPN Lite, this one, and install it. When installing, go back and open the settings. Now go to apps and open Gcash. Go in storage, clear cache and clear data. Yeah, both have happened. Now force stop it. Now go back. Your VPN has downloaded now. Open it. Agree and continue. VPN is connected now. Now open the Gcash app and make sure that VPN has connected like this. Okay. Now your issue may resolved. Look. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.